Hello and welcome back. In this video we will extract and place those name. Before that we have to find those text view. We have to text view on our single group layout. I will find those, that is group name and group joining date. Here I should not do, here I have to do here. Now group name is equal to item view that we have been reflected from here by attaching this file. This is the item view dot find view by id r dot id dot that was, I have not given name any, yeah, I have not given any id. id, this is single group name and id single joining date. What is my fragment? Single group name, and this could be single joining date. This should be joining date. Here either you could make function to name that, or you could directly here find holder. This is the holder that I am getting from this holder dot, that is group name I could not get for now, dot joining date dot set text to, I will give text to, if I give mode, I should give name from this model dot timestamp, but it will gives me error because it takes string form and that is in the form of long. Let's reboot it and see if we would get that date timestamp instead of time date, that would be timestamp. It will take some time. Let's pause it. App is being installing and let's see, sorry for this, yeah, this is my timestamp has been shown as that. Now I have to convert this timestamp to date. Now I will remove this from here and make function called public void set joining date. Here I will get long timestamp. Let's start here. Here first of all I will get date for date format is equal to new date format what was that, let's find, I'll find those. Let's, it was simple date format is equal to new simple date format. Here we have to pass, I will pass e, I think this is e comma month should be in capital, dd y, I think it should be in small, yeah. String date is equal to format timestamp, yeah, this should be fine. I think this is double E, yeah, date. I would set joining date dot set text to date. Let's run it and we will find if it is. I'll pause it till it will install. Now app has been installed successfully, but it has not showing me any date. Yeah, the main reason was I have not called that holder dot set joining date model dot get timestamp. It will take some time again so that it could install. The bad feature of this Android Studio is this: it will take some time to apply changes, but those were not. This is 10th month 22 October Tuesday 2019. I have created last video, I have lecture on this date and I have created in front of you. Now we need to extract this group. Before that I have to show you the structure of this group. Inside group there is the group group this data, and this is the timestamp for that. Now suppose if I need this group 918 at the last, there are members, I don't need those member for now, I need this name. I have to access this group by this value. For that the method here is, first of all I have to get a string key of the those parent, that is key means this one, this is the value I am getting and this is the key, top one. Now for this get ref, this is database reference, this is position, I should get the position, and get key, it will give me the key. Now I have get that key and I could do many things for now. Now m database that was on the root, I think this is up to reference means root dot child, I think this is groups, as groups dot child, this should be key dot add value event listener, new value event listener. Now I should get a string name is equal to data snapshot dot child, I will look for that get value dot to string, and holder dot set, I will make own function to set hold, sorry for this, public void set group name string name group name dot set text is equal to name. Let's find here is set group name and here is the yes, there is also name. Here same spelling have to parse that. Let's see if I get those name, and I will show you the power of real-time database here. App is being installing. I will make this smaller for now. Yeah, I have get those name. Let's find that was first group. This is first group, this is Kazi group that I have created previously. Now I will show that I will change this group name here, suppose hello world. If I change here, it will change at the same instant. If I give this same here, it will. If you will change this timestamp also 8 to 8, let's see this is which one, it will change automatically. I think this should be changed because that was of, I don't think that has been changed. This should change the day on complete day, but it will change. Now if I do this, it will automatically change those value. If I could refresh those, yeah. Now this is how you could assess this, and if you click here, sorry for those I have crushed. If you click on this, if you click on sorry for if I have made input box, yes, this is text input box, I need to make text box single, no edit text view. Even it is text view, it does not give me any error when I have parsed here. It should give me error here if I have as text view. Now let's proceed on the click listener of that. Let's see here. I have key here already, holder dot set on click dot, how can I make let's pause it. Older that view should be passed that set on click listener to those view. New on click listener, then I should make toast. We know that we have already get that key, but I should make some different over here. I will toast for now. We will make other thing in upcoming video. Get activity the toast. I will toast key for now. Let's toast the key. Now let's see if our video, yes, it is also long, but if I would make this long, it will be more long for that. It is being installing and it has been installed. Yeah, it has shown me those values. Then if I click here, it has shown me the group name. This will show different group name. This has shown different group name, but here I will make some other dialogs which will give me some option, and those option will be used to do some specific tasks. Thank you for watching this video. We will meet in next video. Thank you.